Hi YouTube and hi Ibahi subscribers. So my name is Stephanie and today I'm going to be talking about my journey into the public adjusting world. So I come from a completely different background. I come from the IT industry, specifically in supply chain, and I've recently made the decision to go ahead and make the change into the insurance world. So I recently met with Ibahi and she gave me some really amazing tips that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Before I get into that, I'm sure everyone watching this video, or most of you guys, are already aware of what a public adjuster is, but just for those of you who don't know, a public adjuster is basically someone that you hire to negotiate the best claim for you. In a case of any catastrophe or disaster that happens in your home, that person almost acts like a lawyer to come and fight for you and give you the best advice and just try to get you the best claim and settlement for whatever disaster you may be experiencing in your home. So some of the advice that I was given that I definitely have been following is to go ahead and get your tools. So what are your main three tools? The first one is a laser measure. I went ahead and bought one on Amazon. I think it was like 15 bucks. Basically what this is a laser that you use to measure areas in a home. The next tool that I was advised to get was a 1000 lumen flashlight. I don't really know what 1000 lumen means, but I'm assuming it means the strength of the brightness that the flashlight holds. And I was told that typically, depending on what the issue is, sometimes you're going to be crawling into a basement or an attic and you just want to make sure that you can see every little detail that you can see that the homeowner might have missed or that the insurance company might have missed. You want to make sure that you catch every last nook and cranny that you can. Okay, so after doing a little bit of research, I looked at the main qualifications. Seems pretty straightforward to me. You just need to be 18 years or older. And personally, I'm doing this in the state of Georgia, so you just want to make sure that you're a citizen of the United States and of the state of Georgia. So since I obviously fit into those categories, I'm going to show you guys how I went ahead and started my public adjusting journey. I decided to sign up for my pre-licensing courses on a website called America's Professor. I have it right here on my broken iPad. So as you can see, it retails for $199 and I believe it's a 20-hour course. I'm gonna let you guys know how long it takes me to complete this course. I honestly want to just ramp it up and get it done as soon as possible. I've heard some people can do it in a few days. Most people do it in a few months. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But essentially, it's just a 20-hour course, and you want to use certain tools like Pearson VUE, which is this website right here. And basically, Pearson VUE is a resource that you can use for practice questions when it comes to finishing your pre-licensing exam and jumping into doing your state exam. I believe it's a total of 5 steps, which I wrote down here on my iPhone. So basically, the first step is make sure that you meet the qualifications, which are, again, being 18 years or older and a legal citizen of whatever state you decide to get your license in. The second step would be to do your pre-licensing course. The third step would be to pass your adjuster license. I believe it's like your basic test. You want to make sure you get a 70% or higher. It's about 100 questions and 2 hours long. And I think that retails for about $60 to $70. And then the next step would be to submit your application to a website called Circon. I haven't really done the research yet to know all the details, but the gist of it that I know is that you're gonna have to submit an application with your certificate of completion once you pass your state exam, as well as your fingerprints, and I think that retails for about $170 something for the application and the fingerprints, and that information is going to be reviewed by your state commissioner. I think it's going to be the Office of Insurance and Safety Commissioner's office. Like I said, I haven't gotten there yet. I'm still doing the research, but pretty sure that this information is correct. If not, then Ibahi's gonna stop me here and put her own say. But let's keep it moving. Now I will end the video with this. I have heard that the licensing exam, the state licensing exam, is pretty difficult. Not a lot of people pass it on their first go. Obviously, my goal is to make sure that I pass it in my first go. So hopefully I'll be able to accomplish that goal, and I'll be able to share with you guys exactly how I did that. And if I find more study resources along the way, I'll make sure to share that with you guys as well. I want to end off by saying thank you so much, Ibahi, for taking the time to explain all of this information to me. And yeah, wish me luck, guys.